Welcome to How to Play Wild Jacks. To play, you will need a 52-card deck and 2 or more players. Each player is dealt 7 cards, 1 card at a time. The remaining deck is placed into the middle as a draw deck. The top card of the draw deck is flipped face up to start a discard pile. The object of the game is to avoid scoring points. Points are scored based on the cards left in your hand at the end of a round. Aces count for 15 points. Face cards are 10 points. All other cards count as their face value. Going back to the hands that were dealt earlier, I have flipped up each player's cards for you to see. In an actual game, you will keep your cards hidden from the other players. The player left of the dealer is first to play. A card can be played to the middle discard pile that is either the same rank or the same suit. Diana can play a diamond or a 9 and chooses to play a 9 to match card ranks. Play moves to Peter, who matches the suit with the ace of spades. Play moves to Wade. Players will continue to take turns matching cards to the discard pile when possible. Peter plays a king of spades and play moves to Wade. Wade is not able to match the suit or the rank and has to draw from the deck. A player must continue to draw until getting a card that can be played. Once drawn, that card can be played. The round is over when a player discards their last card. Diana plays her last card to the middle to end this round. Wade and Peter will score points based on the cards remaining in their hands. Wade has 19 points, Peter has 21 points. Once a player gets 100 or more points, they are out of the game. The last player remaining in the game is the winner. Jacks are wild. When played, the player will name any suit. The next player must play a card in the same suit named or play another wild jack. If a jack is the first discard flipped up, return it to the deck and flip up the next top card. If you enjoyed learning how to play wild jacks and you are curious about other games, our channel is your go-to spot for fun, easy-to-follow tutorials. Check out the collection of videos to find your next favorite game.